Hello Sagittarius, this is your December career, business and money reading for December 2020. Now these are general reading, not all messages might resonate Saggy. So keep whatever resonates. In this reading you get to know what opportunities could present itself in areas of your work, business or money situation. Also what obstacles or challenges you could face, if any, so that you can deal it with in a much better way. So let's start. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other videos as well. So 3 shuffles here. Then career, business, money situation, angels and guides, spirits and guides, December Sagittarius, general energy, career, business and money, angels and guides, spirits and guides, December 2020, career, business and money situation, angels and guides, spirits and guides, December 2020. Fine. So let's start here. The Emperor, so great energy here. 2 of Pentacles. Emperor is like you are in control of situation, you have planned well, you are on the right path, you are focused well, you know how to get success, how to be successful, you know how to make monetary gains. That's what we get with this card here. The Moon, 2 of Swords, Page of Cups, 10 of Wands, Ace of Swords with the Queen of Pentacles. So Saggy, so you are in this Emperor mode, very powerful. You are in your power, you are in your strength here, and you are managing things very well. 2 of Pentacles, juggling either 2 businesses, you are juggling a job or a business, or you are thinking, maybe you are thinking of doing it, or so basically with or 2 projects or 2 kind of ideas or thoughts going within you, this or that, kind of which one to go through. So that's what you are doing, a fine balance now. Here it is like it's like you are balancing, but maybe you will need to prioritize. This is for some of you are, if you are doing the balancing work, very fine. If it's not working, you need to prioritize. You need to make a logical decision which is more important, and then you can take from there. But basically I see you doing lot of, it's a hectic phase of work, lot of work, but you are doing it, you are managing well. 2 of Pentacles is a card of lot of hard work, one work is over and you're running after another, it's like that kind of work here. With the Moon card, with the 2 of Swords, I feel there is certain, there could be in your personal life, there could be some domestic issues, conflict, some secrets, something which is, which can cause some kind of which will leave you at crossroads. Somewhere you will need to make a decision here with this 2 of Swords. Now 2 of Swords is like yes, there are maybe in your relationship or in your professional life or in your personal life, there were certain hidden things which you get to know, certain secrets, so that will be a lot of stress it could get you a lot of stress. You could be in the blues with this Moon card here, and you will need to make a decision. So you have to do a logical decision, a head over heart decision you need to make. Sagittarius, do not make decision by heart, use logical mind to make a decision. That's what I get here. Now you have Page of Cups. There will be an opportunity presented to you here. You have to grab them and use them. Otherwise, it might just slip out. This fish you can see from the cups might slip out if you are not holding, on time. So that's what you need to grab this opportunity here. And then you will see that the growth, the success, that's what I get here. Any conflicts that what I'm getting it with this card, you need to resolve by wisdom, by being gentle, by being calm. That's what I get here. So opportunities being presented. Some of you will make quick money also out of an opportunity. That's what I feel here. Quick bucks, quick money from an opportunity suddenly coming to you here. That's what I get with this reading, but you will be, surpass all the expectations, that you have from yourself or others have for you, because you are in an upward swing with work, with money, with success. That's what I get in December. There is travel, collaboration, negotiations happening, projects happening. There is new, you might also go for a new adventure, for a fun adventure, that kind of. There is new romance also for some of you here. It could be office romance, so it is showing here. So this is, it's more about, and what I feel, you want happiness for yourself. You want to be joyous this month. There is work to be taken care of, but you also want, to enjoy, have fun. That is what I get with this reading. Anyway, December ends, so December last month, there is a time to party. You will be in the celebratory mode here in December, especially during the last 10 days here. But troublesome issues, just you need to control your temper and use your logical brain, and resolve issues with, troublesome issues with wisdom, with calmness, with ease. That's what I get here. I feel this is the card, you will be burdened, feeling overburdened with the responsibilities you have at work, at home. That is like, at times you will be feeling burdened, but overall I see a very positive month here. 10 of Wands, feeling burdened with lot of responsibility, lot of things to be taken care of. Ace of Swords you have, so there is a clarity coming in, there is an illumination of the path coming in, for a situation that you were either stuck, or suddenly some clarity coming in on a certain situation here, which earlier you did not have. Also, this is a card of prosperity, abundance, happiness, growth. That is coming to you here. You could be dealing with legal papers, with legal papers, also with passport, visas, for international travels, or travel issue related papers you could be dealing with here. Queen of Pentacles. So you are not only working hard, you will party hard, you will self-care, self-love, looking good. That's what I get with this energy here. Queen of Pentacle card is like, looking at self. It's like, taking care of self also business deals, kind and nurturing, loving towards family also. That's the energy that I get here. You are in many directions here, lot of action here, but everything is going to be fine, and you are in an upswing in your monetary, career, job, business situation. With the Queen of Pentacle card, so you have money coming from businesses, you have money coming from shares, you have money coming from stocks. She's a fine businesswoman, like, from deals, negotiation, or from farming, anything you may, any businesses you take, and she spends also. So it's not only you will earn, you will spend quite a some here for yourself too, and for your family here. So this is it for this readings. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card here for Saggies. You can look for in-depth reading in the weeklies for December that I will be posting. So opportunity knocks. So grab the opportunity. That's what. Otherwise, go for it. And one more card, resilience. So it's like rise above tribulation. So small obstacles, thing you need to rise above that, and there are opportunities. So great month. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.